everyone, it's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. We are on day 6 of posting every single day in a row, so that's pretty exciting. And we're gonna keep this trend going. Trust me, I got more videos to come and they're already scheduled, so stay tuned. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can catch tomorrow's video. But we're getting started hot with this part 6 of our Pink, Purple, and Giraffes Oh My Scrapbook album. This is part 6 of a 24-page series, so that's pretty exciting. We're like, a quarter of the way there? Pretty exciting. But I'm getting started with a purple mat on the orange background just to kind of make the photo pop a little bit. And then I cut this diamond journaling kind of space out of a journaling card, and I'm just gluing down some more embellishments. The giraffe I cut out of a journaling card as well, and I thought it looked so cute on the back of this glittery tag. Once I found that glittery tag, I was like, ooh, that's gonna look good. I knew it was gonna be great. And then to cover up the hole, because I didn't really want to add any ribbon, I just added the flower. So then it kind of just becomes a shape and maybe not a tag. I don't know, it's up to you what you want to call it. But this scrapbook page came together really quickly. So this is a short 2-minute video, and you know what? Sometimes it's better for the video to be short. I think it helps us girlies who are a little, we always get something else on our mind. Having a shorter video isn't always bad. But as always, if you're interested in trying out my printable pages, you can get this exact scrapbook page as a digital download in a PDF format at the link in my description down below, and you can get one for free if you sign up for emails. So that's pretty cool. But if not, if this just inspires you to get crafty on your own, that's awesome too. That's my whole point of sharing. And yeah, I'm really excited to be getting this album done, and the colors and everything are just so amazing, and it's just fun to see it all come together. This photo is of me and my sister at something in Florida. I don't know, I think it was the fair, and it was just like, I don't know, some like Amish thing, and we had popcorn. It was a fun day. But that completes this page, and I hope this video finds you well, I guess we could say, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!